trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me gon'
We're chasing the easy life.
Hey everybody, thank you for clicking on this video. Today's video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair. We're gonna get Deja together real quick. I washed and deep conditioned her hair last night, braided it up, and just braids to the back. What? I have to move your hair with model so they can see the braids. So I made Deja a wig. This is Brazilian body wave. We got a 20-inch and two 22-inch bundles and an 18-inch closure. And I also dyed the hair black. I did record me dyeing this hair, so if you want to see that, I'll insert it. If you want to see me get her together real quick using this wig, stay tuned.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want to act, not to go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record.
You okay? I need to wash my face. I need my earrings. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I have worked with Tinashe hair before. I actually did Yana a sew-in with Tinashe's hair, and Yana absolutely loved the hair. She actually kept her sew-in for at least a month because she loved the hair. She got inches, y'all. It's down to her butt. It is? Yeah, it's down to your butt. It ain't that long when I stand up. But this water wave texture is very pretty. This is the type of hair you just wet and go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave all the links to this hair down below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye.